Let's get on camera. So Jen, you ever gonna give me my sweater back?
No.
Yeah?
I figured, you owe me a favor.
Yeah?
So,
What kind of favor?
that's okay. This will be the favor.
Look, it's Jen, camera girl extraordinaire. Sung's hiding from you because he doesn't want to be taped.
I'm gonna try out this fade button. Oh. Damn it.
You know you're invading my personal space.
Oh, shut up, you.
And you're wearing my clothes except for that t-shirt and your bra and panties.
How do you know? Maybe they're yours too.
Well, you never know. And of course I searched for this. And it's my second deploy. It's for 5. And if I roll right, you lose.
It's Sunday night, and this is the kitchen. This is the sink, and these are the dishes in the sink. So, I'm doing an experiment to see how long it takes for someone to clear the dishes out of the sink. This is the dishwasher.
Oh, you're right. He does have short hair.
Put the dishes in the dishwasher. Shut it, push the button, turn the thing, you're all set. So, I predict it'll be here tomorrow. I predict they will all be here tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see if my prediction is true. These dishes also smell bad. Pretty gross.
Alright, just put it straight now because I ripped the side, so I'm gonna have to get some major surgery on it. This is the process for rolling the reed. First, you must tuck under, rolling the blunt. First, you tuck under to make sure the reed is in there nice and tight. That way you won't have any loose ends. And then you just roll and roll and roll. Now, my special thing is, because cigar stuff is so strong, is that I just take the inside of this little thingy here out.
Move your hand.
Oh, sorry. I gotta rip it. Just totally rip that off right there. Actually, I don't really need that. And that way you don't have as much cigar shreds, and it also looks better and sticks better. Lick and stick better.
It what?
Licks and sticks better.
Your best choice for entertainment, value, and service.
Oh God, you're gonna get a camera with my buck teeth. See, look at that. See how it just rolls right under there? And I tucked the end part out so that when the end that you're smoking out of isn't all big and fat and nasty. That way you don't get all that residue in your mouth. So that really sucks. And then you roll the end. Oops. And that is it. Now, after that is done, to take away the harshness of the cigar, I usually get a thin layer of Easy Wide tap or whatever you use. You crumble it and you roll that with it. And that way, it burns slower and it doesn't taste god awful. So that really sucks. My nose is running. I haven't had makeup on in the last 2 days, so I'm really looking like shit. But
Come on. You are not.
check it all.
Oh, I left a note from Micah asking him to return my toilet paper that was in my bathroom.
He took it out?
He took it off the roll. He didn't use it all. He just removed it from the holder.
Yeah.
And took it. So I left him a note saying, if you borrowed my toilet paper, please return it because I bought that.
God.
And he threw the note in the toilet.
Oh my god.
Isn't that nasty?
That's very nasty.
That's so rude. I'm just so fed up. I'm just fed up.
Nasty shit.
It's no big deal. I mean,
No, but I see what you're saying.
But
I
it's
mean, he's
rude.
making this big fuss about moving out of the bathroom and, oh, we can't share bathrooms anymore, yet he's taking the shit that you brought from out of the bathroom
Yeah.
to accommodate himself, and that really fucking sucks.
Wherever you play your best.
but oh well. So now what are you doing?
Okay, now I'm taking the easy wide and I'm rolling it around the L. That way, like I said, it
How do you
burns
call it an
out.
L?
Why do I call it an L?
Yeah.
Why do they call it L's? I guess it's just a shorter way of saying a Philly or a blunt.
Okay.
Rolling the L, you smoke a L, you puff a L. And that, I guess to say a L, it makes it.
Can't find it. Get the new
You know, this is literally a blunt. This is a ghetto blunt, 50-cent Philly blunt from out of the Chinese store. You know, nothing fancy, no Garcias, no none of that shit.
No Swisher Sweets.
No Swisher Sweets, no backwoods.
Swisher Sweets.
We're on a budget here.
No Tupperlos.
No Tupperlos. None of that stuff. We do have some honey though. Wait, who was asking me about that?
Honey.
Yeah, Shalou asked me the other day whether I ever had smoked L's that were dipped in honey. And I used to. My girlfriend in Kenya, she used to do her L's like that all the time. She would just take the L after she rolled it.
It burned when I urinated. I thought it was a one-time thing.
You're a dumbass. She would take the L's after she, after she rolled it, and then just like, take a spoonful or just like a little dip of her hand in the honey. And she would just, pat it on
Oh,
and
wow.
put it in the microwave. And it tastes really good. And it burns really slow, but it's really sticky, so
Yeah.
it's kind of decadent, so that's kind of cool.
It's just for special occasions.
Yeah, right? You got your man over.
Yeah.
It is if he smokes weed too. Actually, no. I think that would be more better if you were alone with a nice glass of wine. You got a honey L.
Yep.
You know, your dingy old pajamas.
Yeah.
Yeah, we liked it. We light it. Spark him up, roll him up. Wait. Spark it up, roll it up, inhale, exhale. I think that's how it goes. The Cypress Hill song.
Oh yeah.
That's awesome. We missed the concert on Talk to Tamika on Saturday. The tickets were only $15, and they had tickets all night.
Oh really?
It was never sold out. So.
Oh, that sucks.
And the worst part about it is that she left 100 messages on her answer machine, but of course I didn't get them because Shalou had fucked up the answer machine. Therefore, there was no messages
Oh
when
my
I got home.
god. What a little whore.
So I missed KRS-One, I missed Redman, and I missed Channel Live. All because
I want to
of-
see Erica Badu.
Yeah, she's going to be at the Electric Factory in a couple weeks, and I'm going to try and get us some tickets for that, John.
Yeah.
Because that would be awesome,
Yeah.
Or else, if we don't see her this time, I guess we'll see her next lifetime. Yeah, that's some chick that I'd like to get into. Sit down
Yeah.
and chat with her because she's got a good head on her shoulders, seems like. Besides others.
Yeah.
Wouldn't mind having sex with Redman, though.
What?
Wouldn't mind having sex with Redman, though.
Redman.
Tamika told me that he pulled some chick up on the stage with this camouflage halter top on, thinking that she was all cute and shit. Pulled her up on the stage right at the end and was dancing with her and then picked her up and started bouncing her around.
Oh.
And both of them fell and he got up and left her ass on the ground.
Ugh.
You dickhead. But wait, the supreme part was she said that when KRS-One at the end when they were all freestyling and KRS-One, did his little joint and he had backed up, in the dark to let Channel Live start freestyling, some chick had ran up on the stage and the speakers that line the front of the stage always, she was going past there and the speakers was kind of big and she had like some kind of brown envelope in her hand or something that she wanted to give to him. So as she was running up to him, he's like, no, I don't want it. Bitch falls over the speaker and busts her back. How embarrassing is that shit? Could you imagine? All your school friends and all
Yeah. Right.
peers see you fall in front of KRS-One, who's like the most spiritual and one of the most awesome ramen ever. Pro.
Which shot are you talking about? Depo-Provera. Melissa, this is what I'm saying. Minoxidil shot they've been giving out.
Whoa.
It really sounds biological.
What a rush.
The serotonin reuptake drugs describe exactly what
Fuck
you're
that.
describing. That is not how it's supposed to work. But I think you got to talk to the doctor.
Man, next concert we gonna get though. Fuck that.
I don't know if there's anyone. I want to see that band.
Yeah, not right now anyway.
I don't know. Maybe in the summer we'll be more sure.
They should have put Melissa up on the stage. Now she would have got back with them.
Yeah, I
She's
don't know.
looking.
She said she didn't really have a good time.
She didn't really.
Well,
Yeah, she was looking good.
well, she likes the music, but she
Hates the like crowd type
Yeah.
crap. Yeah.
she doesn't really like concerts, and she was just feeling down, and it just made her, you know.
That makes sense. Jonas Harsh. Blow it out. Pucker, pucker.
I think we need to get out more.
Yeah, I agree.
At least once a week.
We should be like,
go to, like, a
oh,
bar.
yeah, just a bar. Anywhere.
Like in Center City, you know, or in West Philly, whatever.
That'd be nice.
So this sort of solves itself because you don't need to be with anybody who's not going to.
Oh.
Snickers. Cheese doodles. Kiwi strawberry mixture. The prime ultimate original munchie hot food. I have Butterfinger and Mango Mystic.
Butterfinger and Mango Mystic. Now you know that is the ultimate. You got your peanut butter crunchy. Then your white.
Even that with the chocolatey chocolate
Chocolatey chocolate.
and that tangy,
That tangy mango.
with that tiny splash of flavor down my throat,
Yeah, right.
moistening my esophagus.
Gross.
Ew. Is Callie gonna attack? Will Callie attack India? Callie, go get her! Go get him! What? She's laying like a glamour girl. She's like stretched out like a supermodel.
Like, yes. The camera loves me. I am coming. Alright, she got away.
Yeah, I know. What are you eating?
Cheese doodles. They're really good. They're only 25 cents.
That's a bargain.
Big one.
Wait, what color are they?
They're cheese color. Well, artificial cheese color.
Okay, check this out. Orange food, orange food, orange food, pink food. Well, it's a drink, but it's still food.
Yeah.
Why all this orange food, I wonder?
Freaky spiritual vibe. It has to do with our orange connecting with orange food supplements. Even though it's all fake. It's all by the book.
What's your cap say?
And all he cares about is money. I don't know.
Mine says your lucky numbers are 17, 27, 13, 21, 36, 6, 38, 6.
The only thing I need
What's your cap say?
Well, as if you didn't know it already. It says,
Ew.
wear clean underwear. Like,
Ew.
if I didn't know that already, you get a lucky number. I get a wear clean underwear tomorrow. What kind of
You got
philosophical crap is that?
You have caramel on your lip.
Let's call it caramel. Hey!
Say hi.
Oh, is this your favorite commercial, can you? Alright.
Dr. Scholl's odor destroyers with 50% more odor destroying power than
Now this is the supreme thing. No! Damn it! This is the supreme. Now, do you look in there?
Should they turn the camera, turn the light off?
Yeah. This is the supreme being on rolling joint splits. If
Are you the expert?
need a hooked on phonics step-by-step education, you call 222. It's like, no. Because let me tell you. Wait, how does it go?